Start recording.
Ease alert editor. Save button. Play button. Settings alert. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued an angry fan warning effective until further notice. In 2014, Angry Fans Europe said because Dan McCafferty left the band Nazareth. Impact, angry fans will be starting riots and yelling for Dan McCafferty at future Nazareth concerts, breaking cars, and generally wreaking havoc. Precautionary preparedness actions. An angry fan warning means that angry fans are upset over changes in band members in their favorite bands. For your protection, make sure fans are aware that change is a good thing and put it out all over the media.
Start recording.